Here's the thing, I found a keyboard with a light bar on the top of it, and the light bar changed color, and color display on mousepad, and desk look pretty. It's by a company called MelGeek. It's the Made68 Pro. It's a Hall effect gaming keyboard, so we're gonna pop it open, test it out, talk about it a little bit, and see if it's any good for gaming. See if the Hall effect is really good, or if it's just one of those Hall effect keyboards, or if it's one of those Hall effect keyboards, you know what I mean? Because there's, you'd be surprised. Okay, so let's try it out. All right, MelGeek. Look, it's got a little B. That's like their little logo. Interesting unboxing. Oh, this is just there's a box within a box. Okay. It's got like code on it. I like that. It's like, you know, nerdy. You want to buy a keyboard to impress a girl? You want to make them think you code? Want to make them think you're a hacker? Oh, yes, it's pink. Oh, yes, I got the pink one. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm such a Chad for that. Okay, what kind of colors does it come in? Comes in purple or pink? And the purple one is like white keys with a purple escape and enter and a purple light bar. And then the pink one is fully pink, 2 black, and a pink light bar. Let's see, you can tell a lot about a company from what kind of accessories they give out. What did we get? What goodies did we get? Power cable. Wrapped in plastic. Looks like extra keycaps. And your keycap, Polo. Very nice. Alright. Anything underneath? Bunch of guides. Quick guide. Something, I don't know what that says. Oh, bee stickers. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, dude. Bee stickers, bro. That's what I needed. Oh my god. I love this. See that back there? Ooh, she's a beaut. They got like Legos on the side. I might actually be able to put like legitimate Legos on this. That might actually be standard size. Is this just plastic? Oh, there's plastic on the light bar. Okay. We got little rubber feet. No extendo feet. Just a set height. I mean, that's it. It's a Made68, so I'm assuming 68% magnetic keyboard. Oh, that's beautiful. Just wait till you see the light, bruv. Wait till you see it light up, bruv. Oh, it's on. Normally I would expect like some kind of crazy light show or like pinwheel effect or jelly bean raindrops or something, you know? Okay, so we got it to show up. We got some different colors here. Is this really as bright as it gets? I like the light bar. Okay, I think that we can do a web driver. Okay, so I'll leave a link for this down in the description, but luckily it looks like they're not trying to download any software or zip files on your computer. It's just a web driver, so it's hive.melgeek.com. I'll just hit add device, Made68, connect, and then click on this bad boy. And we'll check on the lighting. Okay, yeah, the brightness is only at 32. Turn it up all the way. Okay, I mean, I can't lie. Like, I hate to say it, but the RGB needs to be a little bit brighter. I'm just putting that out there. Because you can't really see it with the lights on, like, at all. But the box light shows up pretty well. Let's change the color of that. What does that look like? Oh, yeah, see, that's way better. Look at that. That's bright as heck, dude. You can do a breathing effect, change the hue, saturation, and speed. And then you have your rapid trigger, WASD. You got your rapid trigger. There you go. A little web driver. Real nice. I hate downloading stuff on my computer. I love when people do this. Huge W. Let's get a sound test going real quick. I would say it's pretty silent overall. I hit it pretty hard, not making too much noise. It's usually a good sign. The thing that's great about this keyboard, it's got the light box in the side panel. It's got a high performance chip, snap tap, rapid trigger, 16K, full key scan rate, 8K polling rate, 0.125 millisecond latency, adjustable actuation point to 0.1 millimeters, and all, of course, for a humble price of $149 for pretty much everything that you could need. 8K polling rate is pretty much the standard now when it comes to gaming, esports, competitiveness, FPS games. 8K polling rate, 16K scan rate, or a little bit higher if you can. Now we're gonna play some game. We're playing Quidditch. We're playing Quidditch. This is the second video I did spitball in. I don't even care. Gotta be quick on the jetpack.
5, 4.
Is this even FPS anymore if there's no gun involved? It's just a bat.
Fly
Still counts, bro. Go be quick with this one. Okay, there was just pure anarchy there. Oh, they have the ball. Dang it, dang it, dang. It's gonna get reset. It's gonna get reset. It didn't get reset. Ah, get back here. Yes! We killed each other? I'm playing D, bro. I'm playing D. Hey, come back here, buddy.
Ball captured. Lost the lead. Ball reset.
Oh my god, I'm just letting this guy rob me. I just let this guy rob me! Let me get this guy. Watch this. Ah. Oh, buddy, you got so lucky, pal. It's Quidditch time. It's time for Quidditch. Quidditch, I'm gonna beat it. Oh, please, please, please. Let me get him. Oh my god, I'm complete ass.
Ball dropped.
Oh, give me the ball, give me the ball.
Ball secured.
No.
Ball
Come on! No! Dang it, dude. Come back here, bro. Come back here, bro. Where are you going?
Dropped.
Give me that. Oh my god. I'm down.
Secured.
See ya. Peace. Look at these peasants. Thinking they can catch me. I will score.
Ball captured.
I'm literally right on his cheeks. Oh, get back here. Come here.
Ball dropped.
Oh, it's gonna reset.
Ball reset. Ball stolen.
Are you f***ing kidding? Dude, our teammate just went up there and just stood there. What are you doing? There's no way. There's no way. This is illegal. There's no way. This is a crime.
Ball dropped.
Please, please, please.
Ball secured.
Oh, I have it. You're not scoring today, brother. Not today, mate. Not today. Not today, mate.
Ball.
No! How did he get me? Dang it, bro. I should have been looking around.
Secured.
No. We're playing defense around here. Nope.
Slayer. Double kill. Triple kill. Tied the leader. Ball captured. Ball reset. Ball stolen.
They're copying my methods. They're learning. No. They're taking my tactics. This is why you don't be a YouTuber, bro. You can't show them your next move, dog.
Ball secured.
Come on. Somebody grab the ball. Grab the ball. Somebody from our team, grab that fucking ball. Get the fucking ball. Oh, I'm so fucking annoyed. Where is he? Where'd he go? Oh my god, please. Please. Yeah, I'm right behind you, buddy. Yeah, keep running, pal.
Game over.
I'm so upset. I was 1 second away, man. I could have gotten it, bro. Could have saved the day. My team is kind of trash. I'm blaming my team. It's their fault.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Domination.
Oh, this is like one of those creator maps, bro.
lost the lead.
Hey, bro. Hey. Hello.
C lost. A secure.
That's glass. You know what? You're getting punched. I'll be taking this.
Losing B. A secure. B lost.
Thanks, fam. Who is this pig guy? We're gonna win, bro. Just, you're in denial. You're in denial. You're in denial. I told you you're in denial. You didn't believe me? Juked him. You're such a fucking loser, dude. Can I help you? You're so ass.
Slayer.
Learn how to lose a 1v1 without going to fucking download cheats. You trash.
King Slayer. Double kill.
Yeah, come on in.
A secured. Losing B. King Slayer.
I'm gone.
Lost.
Yeah, you suck. Ugh.
Losing C. C lost. King Slayer.
I'm still trying to lock in, bro.
Losing C. B secure. C lost. King Slayer. Double kill. A secure. Losing B. King Slayer. Killing spree. Game over.
GG, loser. Yeah! I know, I'm such a rat for that. It's pretty good. I would say it's pretty good stats for 150 bucks. Definitely worth your money if you like it. It's cute. The only complaint I really had was that the RGB underneath the keys was a little dim, still usable. Definitely looks better with the lights turned down, not with a bunch of ring lights pointed directly at it. That's probably my problem. Definitely highly recommend if you'd like to check it out for yourself, get a copy of one of these legendary keyboards. I'll leave a link down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash like, subscribe, and check out Tech Review playlist. I'll leave it right here. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.